Hey guys, welcome back to the Sketchy Vert channel. Just got down here in Florida 2 days ago, went to the beach and everything yesterday. And now I'm at Cleetus' shop and those guys are doing that build off. So I'm gonna go check that out. Maybe film a little bit if I can and show you guys behind the scenes stuff. And I think Jeremy from Fasterproms is gonna show me a little dynoing on the police car there in there. So kind of excited to see that. Anyways, we'll go check it out and see what's going on.
Not in the not entered list.
Not welcome.
I mean, the track already has you on their own list, but
Dude,
wanted.
I can't wait, dude. I'm getting so excited.
They're like, don't let this guy back in demo drags who fumbled his shit in the first 10 feet.
You're gonna bring that old wound up, Coop? That's
Some
pretty
guy
messed
in a
up.
freaking Mustang, dude. I wait till I see him again. I'm gonna teach him a lesson.
Took him out in the first like 8 or 9 feet.
Was that when you were in the yellow Mustang?
Dirty racing, yeah, dude.
This year or last year?
That tank.
That Mustang was serious.
Yeah.
Let's make this happen.
Oh, we're getting ready.
I am pumped.
Let's see this thing's dyno. Now we know what Coop's car is gonna make after this dyno. So oh yeah, the Texas B427 there now? I didn't know that. Come on, 1,000 horsepower. Jeremy, you got this. Right now, Jeremy's just letting the car get the mix in with the new fuel, so it might be a little bit till he actually does a pull. That's what you kind of hear it idling up and down. Here, I'll try to get it. Fireball. That was so loud. Wow. You should have seen the fireball.
Yeah. 950 torque. Yay.
950 torque. 985, 950 torque. Wow. That torque though, jeez.
Alright, I'm gonna lean it a little bit.
You lean it?
Yeah, we're gonna make this happen.
We are making some torque, man.
That's a lot of torque.
Yeah.
Those are long. 996. Sarah does not like me tying her up, so. She gets mad.
I don't like when I tie him up either.
I hate it.
Only when Shalane does it. Such a double standard.
So it is such a double standard. Alright, Jeremy, here comes 1,000. Here we go. What'd you see?
All right, so I don't have this is a whole different fuel map, so I got to go through the fuel map, and it added a few percent fuel that it shouldn't have had. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that because it was adding that at wide open throttle, which is what I'm trying to stay away from. So it's just being a little bit of a pain in the butt. I'm gonna add like 4% on the bottom because it added that, about 4.5%. but this should remedy it.
Sweet.
I'm trying.
You're gonna get it.
I'm gonna get it.
You're gonna get it. I have faith in you.
Well, that makes one of us.
What was that?
Made 980, 932. It's like it's getting hotter.
Let's give it some time to cool down and then we'll hit it again. Don't give up. Don't give up.
That was your last chance.
Stay on the back up.
Unless you're feeling real lucky.
Jeremy doesn't want to do it that way,
We're
so.
gonna give you a little boost.
I don't want to do that.
I don't want to do that.
Well, you know, I don't like paying my taxes, but hey.
Cool it down a little bit, you think? Give it some time? That's really consistent. Yeah. I have to have positivity when I have a Sketchy Vert, because that thing's always broken. Still even have the bars in here?
Yeah, we actually got to take out some waste badly
That is pretty cool though, you have that.
sometime here.
Alright guys, while Jeremy's figuring out his car, we're gonna run over here and see how the build off is going. Boosted Boys are hard at work over there. Rainstorming. Cleetus team is not here. They're probably out getting parts or something. Got the nice MR2 sitting here. Can't wait to see this thing make a pass, or the Bully. Super cool. This car's insane. Never seen something like this before. Wow. How cool. We got the Grinch. All-wheel drive Honda. So cool.
There he is, behind the scenes.
Behind the
guys.
scenes. Kyle with the welder.
Getting that last mount. Well, for the engine, then we could take that.
Oh, okay.
I kind of need this radiator hose moved. It's off of moving the engine too much.
Yeah, because once we get the chain on there, we can put that piece back on there so we can do the clutch.
Yep.
And then from there, we could just put the battery in.
Once that's done, then you get the linkage.
And then we could do the rear end.
We're probably gonna have to go back to that place for some salt, some small solid round stock for Nicky. I think I have a decent idea on how to do it. I'll have to look at it more now.
I heard you guys are out of money.
Is this smack talking going on? Am I missing some stuff?
8 injectors.
8 injectors?
Yeah.
Wow. What are you going to do with all that?
What do you have?
We got 2.
2?
Yeah, we took 2 out because we didn't need them.
Are you
But,
serious?
you know
This
what?
We
has.
have 8.
Yeah, you're going to need all of them.
Only one or 2.
8. 2 of everything.
2 of everything.
Just so it costs more.
So you guys decided to go to the side, huh?
Yeah, well, you know, we were thinking about this thing called a driver.
You?
Not me, but like having one in the vehicle.
See, we're going to sit on top of the motor. So the weight's going to be just even. No matter where you put
I
it.
mean, easy enough.
You would think.
You don't need a driver, do you?
I mean, you don't. You got a wheelie better if you like drove it from the back and extended the steering wheel.
Just sit way back here.
Just stand.
Yeah.
Just stand up.
Just.
That would be great. Like one of those standing lawnmowers, you know?
It was like a strap that goes.
We should just have someone stand in the back with like some controls and then someone sitting to steer.
We spring. What are you working on for the golf cart?
Oh, okay.
Turn it on, put it up. Turn it on.
Hey, pal, when you sneak in?
This guy adored, dude.
So bright. Good?
Seems like you smell kind of
Woo! And it smells good.
just had to burn it off. Like
It doesn't smell as bad. Hey guys, it's the last day for the build off. I'm gonna go inside and take a look and show you guys what's all done on the carts. Hopefully they're a little bit farther than the last time I seen them, because on the Cleetus side it was not looking very good. So anyways, let's go take a look. Ooh. Looking a lot better than last time. Top on there.
Let's pick up on this for a sec.
Okay. It does look so much better with the roof on. Wow. Woo. So pretty.
$10 and you gotta go buy a Bang for Cooper, a Baja Blast for James, and a Great It's such a good deal.
That smile though. You can just tell he's excited.
Alright.
Good luck, Garrett. So loud. Just working out the bugs. It's pretty. Alright guys, so I'm going to be replacing the radiator in my Ram. It started leaking on me on the way down, and I've been just kind of going so hectic and going to the beach and doing the events and things that I haven't had time to put it in, and so today is the day where I am going to put this bad boy in and do it myself and just learn something. So I've never done this before. I watched a little bit of YouTube clips, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. Hopefully I can do this, because if I don't get this fixed, I'm going to be stranded here. I'm going to use my trusty cooler here to catch all the radiator fluid. Hope my plug is not completely plugged so I can drain it out. Alright, it's turning. Ah. Stop. Don't stop. So it's not dripping anymore. I think it might be plugged. Dang, that's some dirty antifreeze in there. Wow. You got my trusty coolant catcher. I mean, that thing's expensive. All right, I'm gonna slice and dice the hose. Now the YouTube said this is messy, and I'm gonna find out just how messy it's gonna be. So we gotta run. Ooh, oh, there we go. Oh, she's spraying. Oh, yeah, she's spraying pretty good. All right. Oh, we'll just kind of cut there. Oh, it's a gusher. Well, I mean, there's really no going back. So I'm kind of screwed if I don't get this figured out. Good thing we got beach towels and soap and water to soak this up. I have to take off this top wire here, cable for the battery terminal. So that's what I'm working on now. Well, I took out the washer fluid bottle there. Now I'm taking these bolts out to remove the shroud from the radiator. But they made the end of where the hose hook's on so long that it won't pass this. It hits a can here, so I have to move these tablets up to make them work. So it's like hitting right here, so it only lets it go so far. So that's what I have to modify and cut these tabs up off a little bit. I don't know why they did that, just to make your life harder. Modifying the tool so I can get more clamping power. I swear.